Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for keeping it here. If you are new here, my name is Lina Crate, and thank you so much for tuning in my channel. Now today I just want to show you how I always prepare my pancake, and today being a Friday na kumenyesha sana, so nataka nionyeshe venye mimi hutengeneza pancake home, and I hope you'll enjoy this video, and consider subscribing and hit that notification bell kama kawaida. So today's my ingredients today nitatumia some eggs, 2 eggs of which ndio hizi nimeshazipasua ziko hapa. Then I'll use 1 glass of milk, and unga yangu iko hapa, sukari na chumvi already nimeshaziweka hapa. So I'm just going to mix the solid things together, then liquid things tena mix together, then I'll show you how I mix them pamoja hapa kwa hii bowl. So stay tuned and consider subscribing as you continue to watch my video. Yeah, and to my first step, I'm going to mix my milk and my eggs, and there we go. So kama hauna maziwa, if you don't have milk, unaweza tumia maji. So si lazima utumie maziwa, but for the perfect pancake I prefer utumie maziwa. So I'm mixing my liquid ingredients. Then after that I'm going to mix my unga, my sukari hapa hivi. As you can see, mix vizuri. From there guys, I'm going to take my liquid mixture, nimwage just pole pole tu mpaka ishike. Then you have to make sure that the liquid, yani hii mixture unatengeneza isikue thick na isikue watery, ikue tu hapo katikati. So you need to know how to moderate your solid. So I'm going to use a bit of water, by the way. Mimi hupenda kutumia maziwa na maji, so that maziwa isiende mingi pia. You know, lazima to moderate nini. Kutumia sahi ni mbaya sana. So I'm using some water here. Ndio mixture ikae poa. So guys, as you can see, my mixture si thick na si watery, iko tu hapo katikati, you know. As you can see guys, iko tu hapo katikati. So you have to make sure that you mix vizuri ndio isikudisappoint. Hapo kwa mixing ndio inachanganisha watu, but lazima tu ujue venye utaimix, unga isikue mingi pia. Ndio utatoa pancake tamu, pancake poa. So guys, that's my mixture over here, as you can see guys. So this is well ready, and tunataka kwanza kuiweka mafuta sahi. So hii roughly itatoa like 5 pieces and or 4, najua depending na sizes zenye unataka kuweka, but for mine inaweza toka 5 6 4 5 or 6, because I don't want to make them zikuwe mingi, because most of the people I live naishi nao si fanwa hizi, so napikanga tu like 4 5 or 6 ndio pia isikae sana. Yeah, so I think I'm done with the mixing. I'm just going now to show you how I like nazipika hapo. So guys, so guys, my pan over here, and I love them. And so let's start cooking. You must make sure that your pan is super clean and ready for cooking. So there are some people wanasemanga they prefer like mixing their, yani kuweka mafuta zao hapa kwa the mixture, but you know watu wanapikanga tofauti. So me, I'm just going to put my oil kwa pan, so that I just measure my mixture pole pole nikigeuza. Yeah. that is it, and these are my final results, as you can see. Yeah guys, so as you can see, this is the final results, and I told you nitapika like 4 or 5, and zimetoka exactly 4. So this one you can serve with I'm going to serve my daughter with hot coffee. Then yeah, I think that will be it for today. So kama bado unani watch na I'll just subscribe, unangoja nini? Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and that will be it for today. See you in my next video.